Hello and welcome back. Today's video we will be talking about the new release, the WLToys 244016. Catchy, isn't it? Their new micro buggy release. Probably no surprise to a lot of you, and neither to Losi, that they have brought out a very similar 1/24th scale buggy. They have posted up over the last few days a few videos and some pictures of the car. So let's take a little deeper look into those and see what we can figure out. Okay, so looking at the website, it looks like it is coming with oil-filled shocks as per the Losi. What the quality of those is like, I don't know. It does look like they are aluminium though, so that could be interesting. It'll either help or it won't. So yeah, as I say, it will be interesting to see how they go and whether they actually hold oil. It says 3 speed modes as per the Losi again. It says the slow speed 15 kilometers an hour, 20 for medium and 25 for high, which is pretty impressive if it does do that. On that note, I have noticed that it is running the 050 motors rather than the 030, so you should have a good more poke in there over the Losi. So yeah, it will be good to try that out. It is also saying it is going to be coming with a gyro stabilizer built in, so that could be handy for outdoors, keeping things going in a straight line over the bumps. We will have to wait and see how effective that will be, but yeah, interesting little addition there. It's saying it's got a cruise control. I've not experienced that on the WLToys. It's been a while since I've had one myself, so again, interesting to try that out. Hopefully we'll get one on the channel fairly soon. What else is it saying? DIY ready, pre-port for the LEDs. Maybe not something that many people driving these little buggies will be interested in. However, that LED port could be handy for powering our transponders. It'll save a lot of effort having to re-solder everything onto the board that we have to on the Losi. Anything else? I've noticed it says it comes with a 7.4 volt lithium ion battery, 350 milliamps, similar to the Losi. However, lithium ion, I'm not sure whether it's quite as good as the lithium polymers. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments on that. I'm saying a 20-minute runtime, which sounds pretty impressive. I know I don't get that out on my Losi. I probably get tops 10 minutes. So the chassis does look a little confusing from the photos. It has some sort of carbon fiber texture to it in the pictures. I'm not expecting it to be carbon fiber though. I would say it will probably come as a molded plastic chassis, or at very best an aluminium chassis with some sort of carbon fiber sticker over the top of it. But 99% sure it is going to be molded plastic. So the WLToys 244016, what do we make of it? Well, we shall wait until we have one in our hands to decide. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are. Is it a complete rip-off of the Losi? Is it a good thing that there is now another option, a cheaper option for people to get into buggy racing? Well, again, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hopefully we shall be getting one on this channel very soon to go a little deeper and see what it's really like. If you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more action on the WLToys buggy. But otherwise, have fun at the track and I will see you soon.